G'day guys, Mitch here from Finance Fitness and the Wheels of Wealth. Look, just something today on what's called financial literacy. So when we went before, we talked about the difference between an asset and a liability and how we think of them and how an investor or an entrepreneur thinks of the difference. Remember, asset is income, liability is expense on a per month basis. So how we keep track of that is, I guess you'd call a scorecard. Every game has a scorecard or a way of keeping check, testing and measuring. And in that case, that's in the name of investing or entrepreneurship. The scorecard is called the financial statement. So that's the profit and loss and the balance sheet, or the assets and liabilities. So it's a P&L and an A&L in short, okay? So you should be able to, most people go through life and they don't know how to look at one, they don't know how to read one, much less work on their own. You should really be working on your own balance sheet or profit and loss statement or financial statement, as you know, there's many different words for this, but let's just call it a financial statement, which includes the P&L, which is income versus expenses, and the A&L, which is assets and liabilities, on the one document. Now, I've got one made up for you. I'm actually using it as part of the board game that I'm creating, where each player gets their own financial statement and you play. You can actually use your own financial statement and play the game as well. So email me and I'll send you a copy. Now, you should be updating this financial statement every single month. You should be putting on there, where is my score? What is my cash flow? What is my income, expenses? What is my assets? What are my liabilities? How you can keep score and check is you change activities depending on the results. So if you're not getting the result you want in your life, in financially, through passive income or non-active income or investments or other businesses, then you have to put that down on your financial statement, and then you know to start looking for those type of assets that will add to your financial statement. So, and if you don't know that, if you don't currently do your own financial statement, if you don't look at your ins and outs, I'm not talking about a budget, I'm talking about how you are financially sitting today. When we leave school, we don't get taught how to make a financial statement, but every person has one. You have an income, you have an expense, you have an asset, you have a liability, you have ratios, and all these things get tested and measured. And how you can get ahead in life is knowing how to read a financial statement, and then knowing how to read your own and create your own financial statement. And then when you look at an investment or a business or a strategy, you look at the financial statement of that asset or liability, and then you apply it to yours and see if it's better or worse. It's that simple. But the thing to do is to start with your own financial statement. So if you email me now, or I'll probably put a link on the page actually, on this email, where you can just download my Ready Rec Now one-page PDF, where you can just download the financial statement, fill in your details, your job, business income, or BI stands for your own life business, and how much how much income comes from alternative businesses other than your wage or salary. Okay, so there's a few questions. Let me know, hit me up. Feel free to forward this to a friend as well. I know we're all in lockdown at the moment, but it's worth looking at your financial life while we're here. You know, it's something to look at. So a financial statement is very important. You should be updating it every month. You should be looking at it. And then you can go, okay, what do I need to improve in this financial statement? And you start looking for businesses or assets or investments that improve your financial statement and your financial life. All right, so click on the link, download the PDF, fill it in, send it back to me if you want. I'll have a look at it. We can discuss. We can get some of my team actually to have a bit of a look at it as well. We can help you with this package. We can help you with educating yourself and getting some financial literacy. Okay, this is Mitch signing out. Talk to you later.